So I decided to look at all three generations of the E-M1 and compare their noise pretty much in a typical normal lit scene. So we have the first generation E-M1, the Mark II, and the E-M1X. Anywhere there's a file missing, it's because that camera doesn't offer that ISO. And I know that the ISOs are not truly as indicated by the camera. However, this is just an easy way to compare. We're going exactly by how the camera shows its ISO. Everything was shot with the 25mm f1.8 at f4. Everything was on a tripod. No image stabilization. Everything was with the electronic shutter with a 2-second delay. Except for the E-M1, this version actually, because there's a bug in it with electronic shutter, which I'll probably have to post about soon. Very interesting. So it couldn't use the electronic shutter for this test. So that one uses the actual shutter. First current electronic though. Everything was shot raw, cropped, and then exported at highest resolution JPEG. And this is a crop that's from left and just below center. And this is this view here is just to show you what ISO we're at, and it's not truly 100%. This is about 75%. We can actually zoom in a little bit and see it 1-to-1. So let's just kind of go through these, and then we'll dive in a bit. One thing you'll notice is that moire has been much better handled with each successive generation. I mean, if you look at the part of it's the megapixels as well, but the first generation had really strong moire. The Mark II and the E-M1X both have it, but it's gotten lighter with each generation, which is great. And I'm making this file available for everyone to download full size so you can kind of dive into it and examine yourself any of these images that you want to. You can find that image linked from my blog. So it's in the link below, and let me know what you think.